Hello. I've got a quick unboxing today of a little product. I guess you can call it that, but lots of uses. It is a dual USB port wall charger. It's from a company called Achoro, Achoro. It's actually from a website called usgiftgiant.com. The link will be down below for you in the description. It's $29.99. And the name of it is dual USB port wall charger plus charging cable for iPhone, iPad, 2-in-1 charging bundle. Do a dual USB wall charger for iPhone, smartphone, Samsung tablet, iPad. Okay, $29.99, right? Nope, there's no instructions or anything. I don't think you really need them though. There's nothing to it, right? But the idea is a little travel charger. It has a flip cord or flip up plug, which there it goes. Standard wall stuff here. Yeah, it seems nicely made. You can see there's a lightning cable inside here for you. The idea is, you just pop this on and you have your cable right there to go. You toss it in your bag and you're set. You've got two, a 1.2 amp and a 2.4 amp USB ports for you. I mean, that's about it, really. There's nothing to it. I do like the little setup here. The idea is to travel, so you just keep your cable in here. Personally, I would keep a micro USB or USB-C cable in here myself because I have a Galaxy S8, so I would keep that in here. But Apple, obviously, you would use your lightning cable. Neat little product. You have to test it out and we'll see how it is. It looks like there's an LED up there for you. I don't see anything else on here, really. Maximum 12 watts. Honest is what it says there. I don't know what exactly that means here. Standard stuff here, lightning cable. That's about it. I mean, there's not much more to say. I mean, it's a convenient product, that's for sure. At least I think. That's it. Thanks.